everyone. I don't know about you guys, but I always struggle to wake up in the morning. But I have so much to do that I kind of realize that no, this is not an exception. I need to change my lifestyle. I need to do what it takes in order to be in the right track. So I take a deep breath, I put my feet on the ground, and I am finally ready to start the day. I'm really tired, but once I start moving around, I actually start to feel better. But you know what? I will be able to tackle whatever the day throws at me. So to anyone else who is out there struggling to wake up in the morning, I feel you. But just remember, we can do this. We might have to push ourselves a little harder, but in the day, it will be worth it. What I use here is a Weleda cream. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Is it Weleda or Weleda? I'm not sure. But basically, I love using this cream, and I was actually influenced to use this because I saw Hailey Bieber using it and her skin looked so flawless that I had to try it for myself. And then following the moisturizer, I use a sunscreen called La Roche-Posay. It's a French brand and it's really good, and honestly I have seen so much difference. Like, my skin does look better and healthier. And then what I take is I take my multivitamins. To drink warm water, because honestly I can't drink normal water. I get sick when I drink normal water. I don't know why, it's just way too cold for me. Basically I brush my hair for another 45 minutes because it's really good. I don't think there's much to say about why I'm brushing my hair with bamboo brush. It's just really good. I love it, and you guys should honestly buy one if you still haven't bought one. And then what I do is I actually take my cloves. This is my personal cloves. What I do is I take one clove out of a container or something. So basically then what I do is I burn the clove for a few seconds, and then I blow it out, and then I will literally rub it on my scalp. I go downstairs and I actually heat the water, as in put the kettle on, and then what I do is I take some apple cider and coffee, 1 teaspoon. Actually it really does help to lose the weight and all that. Yeah, I'm actually trying to lose weight, so yeah. And then what I do is there's some dishes from last night, and not just that, my sister's also made some tea and all that, so basically I was just cleaning the dishes. So yeah, before I actually clean the dishes, what I do first is I would actually put my gloves on. Dishwashing soap is actually really bad for the skin, so I actually like wearing gloves because it does keep my hand nice and clean. And yeah, basically while I'm doing that, I also do a little bit of chit chat with my mom because there's not much to explain, but as you can see, this is what I'm doing. I'm literally doing the dishes and I'm talking with my mum, and yeah. And then I literally rinse it off after I actually put soap on, and then I literally would yeah, there's that. There's not much to talk about, but I'm sure you understand what I'm doing. And then yeah, that's the end.